And races on, hold that cut, one slow out, midnight meet. Hold that cut, followed by Oro Quieta by Drell. Alongside is Bringer of Rain. Wondrous Win is racing forward by about 3 lengths. Midnight Meat is running in fifth by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. Hold that cut, followed by Bringer of Rain in second. Oro Quieta is running in third by Drell. Rounding the far turn, hold that cut by Alencana, Bringer of Rain. Oro Quieta is running by Drell. Wondrous Win, Midnight Meet as they race. All that cat still hanging to that half-flank lead. Bringer of Rain making ground down Ori inside. Oro Quieta is still running in third. All that cat. Bringer of Rain is running by the moves up. It's now Bringer of Rain. Hold that cat. Oro Quieta. Wondrous Win. And finally, number 5, Bringer of Rain. Hold that cat. Oro Quieta. Wondrous Win. Midnight Meet comes last.
Medyo dihado yata